In our second example, we want to do something a little bit different. We want to convert this velocity time graph into a position time graph. So we can do it essentially in the same method that we did previously, but let me just show you how that can happen. Well, if we want to find information about how far, the position, the displacement, the distance, we need to find the area under this velocity time graph. So as we did in previous examples, let's divide this up into shapes that we know, such as rectangles. I'm calling area 4 the area between 10 to 11 because technically there is an area, it's just 0. But I'm going to use that because I'm going to refer back to it. So just understand the area of 4 is just 0 because there is no square that's formed. So if we calculate those 5, we know that area 1 is positive 8, area 2 is negative 12, area 3 is negative 4, area 4, as I said, is just 0, and area 5 is positive 9. Once I have those values, I can set up my position time grid. And here's how we do this. It takes 4 seconds to go 8 meters. So if you look at area 1, it takes 4 seconds before the area shape flips down to the negative point. So 4 seconds to go 8 meters means that I am going to go from 0, 0 to 4, 8. All right, 4 seconds after I started, I am 8 meters above where I began. Now, for the second area, I am going 12 meters backwards, but not from 0. I'm going 12 meters backwards after I've already gone forwards 8 meters. So I'm going to take the positive 8 and I'm going to go 12 meters downwards from that. So I'm not going to go all the way down to negative 12. I'm only going down to negative 4 because I'm dropping 12 meters in the negative direction after having gone 8 meters forward. Likewise, from 8 to 10 seconds, the next 2 seconds, I have to drop another 4. So I was already at negative 4. If I drop another 4, that brings me to negative 8. From 10 to 11 seconds, I'm not going anywhere because the area is 0, so I just have to stay exactly where I am, which was at negative 8. So that's how I represent that. And the last block is area 5. I go up positive 9 meters from where I was, which was at negative 8. So going up positive 9 should bring me to positive 1. You don't want to go from positive 8 to negative 12 to negative 4 to 0 to positive 9. You need to take into account each previous step. Just to show you exactly where the connection comes from, you go up 8 from where you started, then you go down 12 from there, down 4 from there, 0, you stay where you are, and then finally you go up 9 from there. So that's how those areas connect to the motion or the changes on that position time graph. You're not jumping from 8 to negative 12, you're jumping up 8, then down 12, so on and so forth.